Good morning everyone, no? Maayong buntag kaniyong tanan. So buenos dias amigo, amiga all over the globe today. Nandito tayo ngayon sa San Juan, Batangas to feature this a big lot for sale with nice beach line. Alright, watch this. Alright, so once again, thank you so much for always tuning in our channel. So by the way, my name is Ray at nandito tayo yun sa Barangay HUGOM in San Juan, Batangas to feature this big lot for sale. Wow, tingnan nyo naman yung dagat dito. Napakalinaw, napakaganda. Plus factor, this is a overlooking dito sa island ng Mindoro with a beautiful view of the ocean, with a beautiful view of the beaches, with a beautiful view of the mountains, and with a beautiful view of the sky. See? So this estate is selling in the market for 400 pesos per square meters. Alright, so this property with a total land area of 880,000 square meters, or it's about 80 hectares property. So itong property nito isakop sa dalawang barangay o dalawang bayan dito sa San Juan, Batangas. Isang barangay dito sa Barangay HUGOM at isang property dito sa Barangay HUGOM, and then the other property dito sa may Barangay Biga in San Juan, Batangas. So, itong San Juan, Batangas, napakaganda dito dahil ito yung pinaka-Laiya area. Which is andito yung mga 5-star hotels, beautiful beaches, at magagandang mga leisure and recreational activities, lalo na kung if you are looking for a diving spot and a beach life. So this property with 4 torrents. So this estate with a 250 meters beach line. So you have 250 plus meters frontage, and this property is for title again, with a total land area of 80 hectares plus property. So this estate again selling in the market for 400 pesos per square meters. So if you are looking for a big land like investment and future investment or land banking properties, you can consider this one dahil napakaganda ng potential nitong property na ito. Plus factor from Manila papunta dito sa property nito, it's about 3 hours drive via SLEX, then take papunta dito sa Laiya, and then from San Juan then dadaan tayo dito sa pinaka mga gilid ng mga mountains with very good service road. It's about mga 12 meters service road or mga 16 meters service road. So napakaganda ng potential when it comes to the resort or a subdivision, or i-develop mo siya as real estate properties like mga subdivided lots dito sa property na ito. Okay, so this estate is negotiable. So if you are interested no to check out and buy this property, so you can reach us on the number visible on the screen. So if you wish na gusto makausap yung seller, so you can place your email on the description box. So I have the email there, so you can make your intention letter to buy the property para mabasa ng ating seller. Alright, so again, kung gusto niyo pong makahingi ng lot plan, title nitong property na ito guys, so email niyo lang po ako or message niyo ako sa aking WhatsApp or in my Viber. Again, no, thank you so much. My name is Ray and I hope to see you in our next video. Maraming salamat po, dagang salamat. Gracias amigo all over the globe. Thank you very much and God bless everybody.